Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wanted to crop an image right inside Google Sheets but weren't sure how, good news, you're in the right place. Today I'm going to walk you through a simple step-by-step tutorial on cropping images in Google Sheets using its built-in drawing tool. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to get your images looking sharp, tidy, and perfectly framed for your spreadsheet projects. This little trick can make your sheets instantly look more polished, whether it's for a presentation at work, school, or just your own organization. Alright, let's dive right in. First things first, open your Google Sheets file where you want to insert the cropped image. Once you're in, look at the menu bar at the very top of your screen and click on Insert. Think of this as the starting point for adding almost anything new into your sheet, whether it's charts, links, and of course images. Next, in the drop-down menu that pops up, find and select Drawing. This might sound a little odd at first. After all, we're not actually going to draw anything. But Google Sheets uses its drawing tool as a sort of mini canvas where you can manipulate images with a bit more flexibility than just inserting them directly into a cell. So go ahead and click on Drawing. A new box or window will pop up in the center of your screen. This is your workspace. Now at the top of this drawing window, you're going to see a tiny image icon. Usually it looks like a little mountain or a photo. Go ahead and click on it. This is where you upload the image you're wanting to crop. Once you tap on that icon, you'll get the option to browse for a file on your computer. Just locate your image, maybe it's a screenshot, a logo, whatever you need to crop, and upload it. If your image is taking a bit to load, don't worry, just give it a moment. Once your image pops up in the drawing area, you'll notice a few tools have appeared at the top. What we're looking for now is the crop tool. It usually looks like a pair of right-angled brackets or a simple crop icon at the top bar. Click on Crop Image. You'll see black handles or borders appear around your image. Those are your cropping guides. Just click and drag those handles inward or outward, focusing on the part of the image you want to keep. For example, if you only want to show a logo without any extra background, just bring those sides in until only the logo is left. Take your time here, you can always adjust it until it looks just right. If you make a mistake, you can always undo or adjust the cropping area. Remember, the preview is fair game until you finalize it. When you're happy with how your image is cropped, glance up to the top right corner of the drawing window and click Save and Close. Google Sheets will now insert your perfectly cropped image directly into your spreadsheet. You can move it around, resize it, or even go back in and recrop if you need. Just click on the image and hit Edit to jump back into drawing mode. And that's all there is to it. Cropping images in Google Sheets isn't exactly obvious at first, but once you know about the drawing tool, it opens up a lot of possibilities for making your sheets look more professional and organized. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or if there's another Google Sheets trick you want to learn. Don't forget to subscribe if you want more hands-on tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.